नमो नमः। सद्यस्क संस्कृततासिकायां सर्वेषां पुनरेकवारं हार्दं स्वागतम्. Students, in today's class we are going to continue with the chapter Kaha Rakshati, Kaha Rakshitah. Who protects and who gets protected? In the previous part, we have seen the conversation of some boys who have got afflicted due to the excessive heat of the summer season. And through their conversation, we come to know that human activities like deforestation, etc., have caused a great damage to the environment. These activities have severely affected the Earth's climate, and the natural patterns of climate have got altered or changed. Their conversation makes us think over the current situation and reminds us of our duties as a human being. In today's class, we will continue with the lesson. In the previous part, we have seen some Natyamshaha. So let's get started with the Agrimaha Natyamshaha.
Here is the Natyamshaha. I'll read it out. Paramindar vadati Am etadapi sarvatha satyam agachantu naditiram gacchamaha tatra chet kanchit shantim praptum shakshema naditiram gantukamaha balaha yatra tatra avakara bhandaran drushtva vartalapam kurvanti. जोसेफः वदति पश्यन्तु मित्राणि यत्र तत्र प्लास्टिक् स्यूतानि अन्यच्चावकरं प्रक्षिप्तमस्ति कथ्यते यत् स्वच्छता स्वास्थ्यकरी परं वयं तु शिक्षिताः अपि अशिक्षित इवाचरामः अनेन प्रकारेण. Now I'll mark the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. एतदपि कांचित् चावकरं प्रक्षिप्तमस्ति अशिक्षित इवाचरामः. Now let's see the dissolution of these words. Etadapi, the dissolution is etat plus api. Kanchit, the dissolution is kam with halantama plus chit. Chavakaram, the dissolution is cha plus avakaram. Prakshiptamasti is the example of sanyogah and the dissolution is prakshiptam plus asti. Ashikshita ivacharamah is the example of sandhihi and the dissolution is ashikshitah plus iva plus acharamah. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the Natyamshaha. Paramindar vadati Am, yes, etadapi sarvatha satyam. Etadapi, this also. Sarvatha, absolutely. Satyam, true. Yes, this is also absolutely true. Agachantu, nadi tirang gacchamaha. Agachantu, come on. Nadi tirang gacchamaha, let's go to the bank of the river. Tatra chet kanchit shantim praptum shakshyema. Tatra, there. Chet, perhaps. Kanchit shantim, shantim peace, peace of mind. Praptum, to get. Shakshema, we will be able. Perhaps we will be able to get some peace there. Perhaps we will be able to get some peace, it means peace of mind there. Nadi tirang gantukamaha balaha yatra tatra avakara bhandaran drushtva vartalapam kurvanti. Nadi tirang gantukamaha. Gantukamaha, desirous to go, wishing to go. Balaha, boys. Boys desirous to go to the bank of the river. Yatra tatra, everywhere. Avakara bhandaram, heaps of garbage. Drushtva, on seeing. Vartalapam kurvanti, discuss amongst themselves. Boys desirous to go to the bank of the river see the heaps of garbage everywhere and discuss amongst themselves. Josephah vadati pashyantu mitrani. Mitrani, friends. Pashyantu, see. Look at this. Yatra tatra, everywhere. Plastic syutani, plastic bags. Anyat chavakaram, anyat, other. Cha, and. Avakaram, garbage. And other kind of garbage. Prakshiptam asti. Prakshiptam, thrown. Friends, look at this. Plastic bags and other kind of garbage have been thrown everywhere. Kathyate yat swachhata swasthyakari. Kathyate, it is said. Yat, that. Swachhata swasthyakari, cleanliness is good for health. Param, but. Vayantu, vayam, we. Shikshitaha api, in spite of being literate. Ashikshitaha iva acharamaha. Ashikshitaha iva, like an illiterate person. Acharamaha, behave. Anena prakarena, thus. The meaning of the dialogue is, friends, look at this. Plastic bags and other kind of garbage have been thrown everywhere. It is said that cleanliness is good for health. But thus, in spite of being literate, we behave like an illiterate person. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Natyamshaha. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The word Gantu Kamaha is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Balaha. The words Anyat and Prakshiptam are the Visheshane of the Visheshyam Avakaram. The word Swasthyakari is the Visheshanam of the word Swachhata, and the word Shikshitaha is the Visheshanam of the word Vayam. Now, let me take you to Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani based on the given Natyamshaha. There are two Paryaya Pade. Viksha, the Paryaya Padam is Drushtva. Nirmalata, the Paryaya Padam is Swachhata. And there are two Viloma Pade. Malinata, the Viloma Padam is Swachhata. And Niraksharaha athva Ashikshitaha, the Viloma Padam is Shikshitaha. Now, let's discuss some important forms from the Natyamshaha. The first one is Praptum. Here, pra is the upsargaha, the dhatuhu is ap, and the pratyayaha is tumun. There is one more form, Drushtva. The dhatuhu is drush and the pratyayaha is tva. I hope you have understood it.
I hope you have understood the Natyamshaha. Now let's see the next Natyamsh.
Atrasti agrimaha natyamshaha. Aham natyamsham pathami. Vaibhavah vadati. Gruhani tu asmabhihi nityam swachhani kriyante. Param kimartham swaparyavarnasya swachhatam prati dhyanam na diyate. Vinayah vadati. Pashya, pashya. Uparitah idanyamapi avakarah marge kshipyate. Ahuya. Mahodaye. Krupankuru marge brahmatsu. Students, the word brahmatsu is missing here. Please add the word. It is a printing mistake. एतत्तु सर्वथा अशोभनं कृत्यम्। अस्मत्सदृशेभ्यः बालेभ्यः भवती सदृशैः एवं संस्कारा देयाः। Now, I'll mark the words with sandhi or sanyogah. There are only two words, idanimapi and samskara deyaha. Let's see the resolution of these words. Idanimapi is the example of sanyogah and the resolution is idanim plus api. Samskara deyaha is the example of sandhi and the resolution is samskaraha plus deyaha. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the Natyamshah. वैभवः वदति गृहाणि तु अस्माभिः नित्यं स्वच्छानि क्रियन्ते. गृहाणि houses, अस्माभिः by us, नित्यं always, स्वच्छानि क्रियन्ते are cleaned. Houses are always cleaned by us. It means we always keep our houses clean. परं किमर्थं स्वपर्यावरणस्य स्वच्छतां प्रति ध्यानं न दीयते? परं but किमर्थं why स्वपर्यावरणस्य स्वच्छतां प्रति to the cleanliness of our environment. ध्यानं न दीयते. We don't pay attention. The meaning of the dialogue is houses are always cleaned by us. But why don't we pay attention to the cleanliness of our environment? That is our surroundings. Vinayah vadati pashya pashya uparitah idanimapi avakarah marge kshipyate. Pashya pashya, see, look at this. Uparitah, from above. Idanimapi, even now. Avakarah marge kshipyate. Garbage is being thrown on the road. See, look at this. Even now, garbage is being thrown on the road from above. Ahuya, calling. Calling the person who was throwing the garbage. Mahodaye, krupankuru marge brahmatsu. Mahodaye, ma'am. Krupankuru, be kind. Marge brahmatsu, be kind to those who are walking on the road. Ma'am, be kind to those who are walking on the road. Etattu sarvatha ashobhanam krutyam. Etat, this. Sarvatha, absolutely. Ashobhanam krutyam, wrong deed. This is absolutely wrong deed. अस्मत् सदृशेभ्यः बालेभ्यः भवती सदृशैः एवं संस्कारा देयाः. अस्मत् सदृशेभ्यः बालेभ्यः, in children like us. Bhavati sadrushaihi, people like you. Evam, such. Samskaraha, good values. Deyaha, here it means to be inculcated. The meaning of the sentence is, are the people like you going to inculcate such values in children like us? I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Natyamshah. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The word Swachhani is the Visheshanam of the word Gruhani. Ashobhanam is the Visheshanam of the word Krutyam. And Asmat Sadrushebhyah is the Visheshanam of the word Balebhyah. Now, let's move on to Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani. Here are the Paryaya Padani. Sadanani, the Paryaya Padam is Gruhani. Nirmalani, the Paryaya Padam is Swachhani. Pathe, अथवा विद्याम the पर्यायपदम is मार्गे. Adhuna the पर्यायपदम is idanim. And there is only one Vilomapadam. Kvachit the Vilomapadam is Nityam. Students, one example of lep pratyay form is used in this Natyamshaha. Could you guess what word is it? It is ahuya. A upsargah plus ve dhatuhu plus lep pratyayah. Now, let me take you to an important rule of Upapad Vibhakti. The word Swachhatam is used in Dvitiya Vibhakti, and it is because of the indeclinable Prati. Prati governs Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Students, the language of the lesson is simple and easy to understand, isn't it? I hope you have understood the given Natyamshaha. Now let me take you to the next Natyamshaha.
Here is the next Natyamshaha. I'll read it out. Rojaleen vadati am putra sarvatha satyam vadasi kshamyantam idanimeva gacchami. Rojaleen agatya बालैः साकं स्वक्षिप्तम् अवकरं मार्गे विकीर्णम् अन्यद् अवकरं चापि संगृह्य अवकरकण्डोले पातयति. बालाः वदन्ति, एवमेव जागरूकतया एव प्रधानमन्त्रिमहोदयानां स्वच्छताभियानमपि गतिं प्राप्स्यति. Now, I'll mark the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. Here are the words. Idanimeva gacchami swakshiptam avakaram vikirnamanyadavakaram chapi evameva swachhatabhiyanamapi. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Idanimeva gacchami. The dissolution is idanim plus eva plus agacchami. Students, idanim plus eva is the example of sanyogah and eva plus agacchami is the example of sandhihi. Swakshiptam avakaram. The dissolution is swakshiptam plus avakaram. Vikirnamanyadavakaram. The dissolution is vikirnam plus anyat plus avakaram. Vikirnam plus anyat is the example of sanyogah and anyat plus avakaram is the example of sandhihi. Chapi. The dissolution is cha plus api. Evameva is the example of sanyogah and the dissolution is evam plus eva. Swachhatabhiyanamapi. It is also the combination of sandhihi and sanyogah. Swachhata plus abhiyanam is the example of sandhihi and abhiyanam plus api is the example of sanyogah. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the given Natyamshaha. Rojaleen vadati, am putra, yes son, sarvatha satyam vadasi. You are indeed telling the truth. Kshamyantam, I am sorry. Idanimeva gacchami. Idanim, now. Idanim eva, now itself. Agacchami, I am coming. I am coming down now itself. Rojaleen agatya balaihi sakam swakshiptam avakaram marge vikirnamanyadavakaram chapi sangruhya avakarakandole patayati. आगत्य coming. बालैः साकं along with the children. स्वक्षिप्तम् अवकरं. स्वक्षिप्तं thrown by her. अवकरं garbage. मार्गे विकीर्णम् अन्यदवकरं. मार्गे on the road. विकीर्णं scattered. अन्यत् अवकरं other garbage. च अपि संगृह्य. संगृह्य collecting. अवकरकण्डोले पातयति. अवकरकण्डोले in the dustbin. Patayati throws. The meaning of the sentence is Rosaline comes there and along with the children she collects the garbage thrown by her and also the other garbage scattered on the road and throws it in the dustbin. Balaha vadanti. Balaha boys. All the boys say together. एवमेव जागरूकतया एव. एवमेव thus. जागरूकतया due to the awareness. Due to the awareness among the people. प्रधानमंत्री महोदयानां स्वच्छताभियानमपि. स्वच्छता अभियानम cleanliness campaign initiated by the respected Prime Minister. Gatim prapsyati will get speeded up. The meaning of the dialogue is, thus, due to the awareness among the people, indeed, the cleanliness campaign initiated by the respected Prime Minister will get speeded up. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Natyamshaha. The word Swakshiptam is the Visheshanam of the word Avakaram, and the words Vikirnam and Anyat are the Visheshane of the Vishesham Avakaram. The next step is to see Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani based on the Natyamshaha. There is only one Paryaya Padam. Saha अथवा सार्धम, the पर्याय पदम is sakam, and there are two viloma pade. Vina, the viloma padam is sakam, and gatva, the viloma padam is agatya. Students, two examples of lep pratyay forms are used in this Natyamshaha. The first one is agatya, a upsargah plus gamagach dhatuhu plus lyap pratyayah, and the next one is sangruhya. Here the prefix is sam, the dhatuhu is graha and the pratyayah is lyap. One important rule of Upapad Vibhaktihi is also used in this Natyamshaha. Let's see that. The word balaihi is used in Tritiya Vibhaktihi, and it is due to the word sakam. Sakam is the indeclinable. It means with and it governs Tritiya Vibhaktihi. I hope you have understood the rule.
This Natyamshaha teaches us that we need to keep our surroundings clean. And it is the responsibility of every citizen and of every human being. I assume that you have understood the Natyamshaha. Now let's see the Agrimaha Natyamshaha.
Here is the next Natyamshaha. I'll read it out. Try to understand the pronunciation of words. Vinayah vadati. Pashya pashya. तत्र धेनुः शाकफलानामावरणैः सह प्लास्टिकस्यूतमपि खादति. यथा कथञ्चित् निवारणीया एषा. मार्गे कदलीफलविक्रेतारं दृष्ट्वा बालाः कदलीफलानि क्रीत्वा धेनुमाह्वयन्ति, भोजयन्ति च. मार्गात् प्लास्टिकस्यूतानि चापसार्य पिहिते अवकरकण्डोले क्षिपन्ति. Now I'll mark the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. Here are the words. Students, the first three, that is shakafalanaamavaranaih, plastikasutamapi and dhenumahvayanti are the examples of sanyogah, and the last word chapasarya is the example of sandhihi. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Shakafalanamavaranaih, the dissolution is Shakafalanam plus avaranaihi. Plastikasyutamapi, the dissolution is Plastikasyutam plus api. Dhenumahvayanti, the dissolution is Dhenum plus avvayanti. And chapasarya, the dissolution is cha plus apasarya. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the Natyamshah. Vinayah vadati, Pashya, Pashya. See, look at that. Tatra dhenuhu shakafalanam avaranaihi sah plastikasyutamapi khadati. Dhenuhu means cow. Shakafalanam avaranaihi sah. Shaka means vegetable and phala means fruit. Avaranaihi sah, with the peels of. With the peels of vegetables and fruits. Plastikasyutamapi, even a plastic bag. Khadati is eating. See there, a cow is eating even a plastic bag along with the peels of vegetables and fruits. Yatha kathamchit nivaraniya esha. Yatha kathamchit, somehow. Nivaraniya esha, it should be stopped. It should be stopped somehow. Marge, on the road, kadali phala vikretaram drushtva. Kadali phala vikretaram means banana fruit vendor. Drushtva, seeing. Balaha, the boys. Kadali phalani kritva. Kritva, after buying banana fruits. Dhenum avvayanti. Avvayanti means call. They call the cow near them. Bhojayanti cha, and feed the bananas to it. Seeing a banana fruit vendor on the road, children buy banana fruits from him and they call the cow and feed them to it. Margat plastikasyutani chapasarya pihite avakarakandole kshipanti. Margat, from the road, plastikasyutani, plastic bags, cha apasarya, apasarya removing, pihite avakarakandole, pihite covered, in a covered dustbin, kshipanti throw. And removing plastic bags from the road, they throw them into a covered dustbin. Seeing a banana fruit vendor on the road, children buy banana fruits from him and they call the cow and feed them to it. And removing plastic bags from the road, they throw them into a covered dustbin. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani. There is only one pair of Visheshan Visheshya Padam in this Natyamshah. The word Pihite is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Avakara Kandole. Now let me take you to Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani. Here are the Paryaya Padani. Gauhu, the Paryaya Padam is Dhenuhu. Bhakshayati, the Paryaya Padam is Khadati. And Achhadite, the Paryaya Padam is Pihite. there are two important Vilomapade. Vikriya, the Vilomapadam is Kritva, and Udghatite, the Vilomapadam is Pihite. Students, as you can see, three important forms are used in this Natyamshaha. The first one is Drushtva. The Dhatuhu is Drush and the Pratyaha is Tva. The next one is Kritva. The Dhatuhu is Kri and the Pratyaha is Tva. The last form is Apasarya, which is given in the form of Sandhi. Apasarya has the prefix apa, the Dhatuhu is Sru, and the two Pratyayas, Nich and Lyap, are added to the Dhatuhu. Students, Nich Pratyay is not included in our syllabus. It is given here just for your information. Now let me explain an important rule of Upapad Vibhakti. Shaka falana mavaranaihi. The word is used in Tritiya Vibhakti and it is because of the indeclinable saha. The word saha means with and it governs Tritiya Vibhakti. I hope you have understood it.
So students, that brings us to the end of the presentation. We will meet again with the next part. Dhanyavadaha. Punah milamaha.